In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat and then tap right here at your profile picture at the top left corner. After that, tap it here to head over to settings, and first off we need to scroll down to see my location. We need to get into see my location, and here we need to ensure that ghost mode is turned off, like in my case now. If it is enabled, you need to turn it off to proceed. Now guys, we need to go back to our Snapchat profile page and then scroll down all the way until you find Snap Map. Hit Add Open and then it will ask you to allow Snapchat to use your location. I'm gonna hit Add Allow once. After that, it will show you users on that map near you, and then you can, by tapping at these circles, see their snaps in that way. And also from here, once we tap at any user, we'll be able to check their location, and also from here we can go to a conversation with that user hitting at this button. That's how you can easily find nearby friends on Snapchat, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.